What's up?
Hello.
How are you?
It's like every video starts with you opening a door and there's your face.
Here I am.
What's going on, guys? It is Sunday, as you can see here with High PSI TV.
I even wore the shirt.
Oh, you wore a Boost Fab shirt. That's a little hint of what we're doing today. We're not doing any Boost stuff, but as you guys can see, I got some, what is that, 5-inch mandrel bend?
Stainless. Expensive stuff.
Very, very expensive. Today we are going to make the world's most expensive diesel exhaust tip.
Here we are.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Literally the world's most expensive diesel exhaust tip. And if you really want one, you can definitely inquire about one. Send me a DM or send Jeff a DM on Instagram. So both of his Instagram's here, mine is here. Be sure to check us out. We're heading up to Boost Fab.
Boost Fab LLC.
And that is your buddy David.
Yep.
David Farlow. Yep. He is a Boost Fabber, and we're gonna go up there.
Boost Fabber.
We're gonna go up there. As you can tell, it's early. I'm not really firing on all cylinders. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. Just picked up the Trans Am. You haven't seen it yet.
I have not. I'm scared.
It's slightly like
ruined.
No, it's perfect for what we need.
Good. That's fine.
Yeah.
It's a running and driving car. This is a good start.
But you know what I'm used to, like the cow being all nice and the Duramax being nice, and then this is like
not. It's
not the cow or Duramax. So for me, it scares me a little bit, but I think it's perfect for what we need. I just need to adjust. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be making the next video. I think we're gonna be talking about a review of all the stuff done to the Duramax because it has changed my life. But other than that, it's a rainy day here in North Carolina. We're gonna go get some food and then head up to Boost Fab.
Yes, sir.
All right, so as we are waiting for David to arrive, we are up at his shop here. As you can see, he's got cars, trucks all around. What are we doing today exactly?
Sleeping.
Not sleeping.
Not sleeping?
So what is the exact reason that we are here?
We're gonna make a exhaust tip.
And as you can see, this is the factory Flow Pro. Normally you put just a tip on top of that. And we're going to do something custom. So if you guys come around here, I will show you. We got two 5-inch stainless tips, these are expensive just in material because you don't find them this diameter that often. So we're going to show you guys how to make a teardrop. Then we're going to we're going to do 2 teardrops off of one side. Today we're probably going to make the teardrops and configure them together, and then at another time we will actually connect them to the truck. So right now, the reason why we're up here is because you need to have some special stuff to cut something this size and to get everything right. So David he has all the stuff. Jeff has made the teardrop for my car, which is a single 5-inch, but we're doing 2, so it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm excited, and I'm gonna put this camera on the Ronin so I can get some sweet shots, and I'll pick you guys up on the other Canon camera. What is going on, everyone? I know you guys are like, whoa, why are we back in the kitchen here? So as I'm going over the footage when I made the camera change, something went wrong. All of the important clips about the construction and the birth of this beautiful exhaust tip for some reason have no audio, and it fries my ass, so I'm gonna do my best to bring it to you. So let's get into it. So once we get into David's shop here, they pretty much are like, holy shit, these are massive, it's gonna be a pain in the ass, and they're kind of trying to get a strategy up of what we are going to need to do to get it to a workable size. So first off, what we do here is we cut one end of the pipe off so we get a little bit closer to the bend. From there, we go back, and David and Jeff kind of discuss on what angle they're trying to get for the teardrop, because depending on what angle you cut it at will decide how sharp of a teardrop, how long, what angle, the point at the end of the teardrop, all of that fun stuff. So they put it back in there. David and Jeff get it where they like it. They make the first cut. First teardrop is done. So as you see here, Jeff then picks up the 2 remaining pieces, because the hardest part is to now go from the 2 tips back into the 1 single 5-inch. So he takes the 2 pieces that were cut off originally, puts those together. David then welds those together, which pretty dirt nasty job welding there, as you can see. And once they go back together, he puts the 5-inch pipe up to that, and that's pretty much the basic construction of the teardrop here. Now I got a lot of footage on the other camera, a lot of cool shots, so we're gonna get into that and then pick this video up back where we have audio. Again, I do apologize. I was planning to make this video a million times better than me talking in my kitchen, but I gotta play the cards I'm dealt. Hope you guys enjoy and continue to enjoy this badass exhaust tip being birthed into this beautiful world we live in. Alright, so we're going to run outside here in the beautiful climate of North Carolina. Jeff has just the tip.
One of the tips.
And we're gonna see how it looks. What are you doing out here? You're not seeing how it looks really, you're seeing how much room you have.
Yeah. Let me see how much room we have to. Not a lot.
We're going reverse teardropping also. We're pointing them into the wind.
I say we do it like this.
So as you guys can see, the you know, we have the teardrops going with the truck.
It needs to probably stick out.
Yeah, definitely out further. I mean, we can go. We have a little bit extra room because of the tire that we can go out further.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut these shorter.
This is a much larger undertaking than I thought.
I told you it was gonna take a while.
Was it much larger than what you have thought?
No, it's been pretty easy so far. I haven't had to do anything.
Alright, so if we come over here, we can see the Y piece is put together. You can see the welds on that. It's absolutely insane. David was over here welding this while Jeff was cutting down the tips so they would be more workable size. Now we're going to attach the tips to the exhaust like so. And yeah, moving right along. He's getting the other one sanded and ready over there. And I mean, the welds on this thing are absolutely crazy. You guys can see that. Alright, so we got that ready. Jeff is sanding down one side of it. David's over there polishing the tip, and he is sanding the tip, getting it kind of started polished, ready to be fully polished over there, so they're nice chrome and shiny. And the amount of badassness that's going to be on this tip is going to be insane. Now, if you guys do want something like this, contact me, and I'm sure we can get some out to you guys. They're a little pricey. We'll go over that later. As you guys can tell by the title, this is the world's most expensive diesel exhaust tip. Maybe exhaust tip in general. This is not cheap, but you gotta pay to play, and if you want to be a baller, you'll get one of these tips.
Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Who's got time to be negative anymore? Pause for a moment, we're young but we gon' get it. Work ethic to the roof, then Nike couldn't even do it. My attitude is groovy, I swear I'm never down, cause my mind is always moving. My flow is like medicine, I can get you higher than clouds in the sky. So just put away the heroin, I ain't gon' lie, I'm just like a superhero when it comes to the music. I'm gon' heal you, and then free you. Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Who's got time to be negative anymore? Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Benches on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore?
So after about 90,000 just the tip jokes, we have one on there. It is pretty rowdy. It's all polished. That
I'm gonna put the other one on.
just one.
Leave it.
Is this cut the pain in the ass cut?
That's what Jeff said.
I think the cut's the pain in the ass is gonna be the weld.
If I don't have equal airflow throughout this, I'm returning it. Jeff, you scared of this cut or something?
Why is it not? Oh.
To answer that, yeah, we're both fucking afraid of this cut.
Why is that?
You want to readjust or you good?
No, it'll move a little bit.
Tell me, look at this shit.
I'm fucking looking at it.
Sawzall.
Do it.
Why Sawzall the rest?
It won't go all the way through because this is too tall.
Oh. Shit. So how'd that go?
Surprisingly well.
I've never done this before.
First time for everything.
But it seems legit.
This is all for you, Brock. Calling this shit ugly.
Bitch. Your pewter bullet hole.
Yeah, wait, hang on now. Oh god, oh god.
Almost hit me in the dick.
God damn it. I fucking can't.
There we go. Easy now.
This is OSHA approved. Now I definitely feel like a YouTuber.
Oh.
I saw these guys do this shit on YouTube one time, so I'm gonna try this motherfucker out.
Oh my god.
We may look like we know what we're doing, but no. Did you find a smaller screwdriver?
Hey, I didn't look for a screwdriver, I looked for a pry bar.
How's it working out for you?
I did look for a screwdriver. Oh!
God. Blood was shed on.
Just
Right.
for all the interweb welders. No, that wasn't back purged. No, I don't give a shit.
It's for a truck!
Oh! Alright, so the hard part was done. Blood was shed on this.
I hope David knows what he's doing, because I am fucking...
David, tell the people at home how it's going.
That sounds good.
Is this kind of a pain in the ass to get this part to line up?
A little bit. We might have made some judgment errors.
I feel like it's very difficult to get like something that's not round to match up with something that is round.
Yeah.
That little trick, you heat it up and knock it out there.
A little cheated up shit. Alright, we're gonna rock this.
Jeff's hiding it. Just got it done, cut the end off. Definitely have the baddest tip on earth. The largest tip, the heaviest tip. Pretty much I hold all the tip records of that thing.
That's fucking cool.
Dude, that is badass.
Oh, someone drooled on it. Damn it.
Gotta get rid of that ugly stock exhaust.
We're going right here, right?
That actually doesn't even look bad there. It actually didn't. I feel like you could put that anywhere.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, that is definitely. Leave it sticking out that far.
I would.
Yeah.
I don't know if I go that far. Maybe, yeah, right there.
That's fucking cool.
That's fucking money though.
Dude, we should just weld it to the third one.
Let's just put it right here.
God.
That's fucking sick with it. I don't want it.
I like it.
It's out of my hands now.
That is badass.
I like it.
Is there like a no warranty on that? 12,000 miles?
No. No.
If it falls off, I bring it.
Motherfucker's out of the shop. The warranty's done.
Bring it back, get it free repair. Dude, that looks fucking dope. That's backwards, but.
Yes. Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
Just get beat the fuck up by the tire.
Yeah.
Look at guys, that is just perfection.
Someone put their.
Whoa, don't go inside.
No, put a black box
That
up on
looks
the screen.
Just don't look. Oh, don't look over there.
God, I'm excited.
That's pretty exciting. That was fucking rowdy.
Yeah.
To anyone that says that's lame, there's the subscribe button down there. If it's red, just click it again and get the hell out of here. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I was just gonna do that.
I'm just kidding. So if you want this, you can get the world's most expensive exhaust tip, $14.99. Does that include free shipping or?
I think for $14.99, yeah, shipping, maybe even a blowjob.
So free shipping, $14.99 if you want a dual 5-inch teardrop exhaust tip. God,
it off real quick.
It looks just massive when you're holding it.
It is massive. I mean, so what? That's Probably 12 inches, right?
Here, let me see. Alright guys, so here it is. Gotta wait, put it on the truck. A little bit more work to get it on the truck.
Yeah, you're gonna have to figure that out.
Yes, I'll talk to my my fabricator.
Huh? You have a new one now.
Oh, that's a tall task, I don't know. Jeff's been trying to get rid of me for a while. You know what, maybe you could take the Trans Am.
Yeah, let's do it.
But yeah, no, it's pretty sick. I assume we'll put it on there in the upcoming weeks.
Yeah.
This was probably, what do you say this was the hard part? Just getting it?
Well, yeah.
From,
what do you think? I mean, it took us 8 hours to make that.
I'm pretty excited though. It actually like turned out way better than I expected. So thank you. I do appreciate it.
For sure.
Everyone, be sure to check him out on Instagram. Oh, I caught him off guard there with the pound here. Thank you for your, that was gay. All right, guys, back here in the garage, as you can see, I'm standing next to the Cowmaro, and in my hands, I have the world's most expensive exhaust tip, or you could say tips. But as you can see, got it done. David Farlow and Jeff. David Farlow with Boost Fab. His Instagram is unnaturally aspirated, and Jeff with High PSI TV up at RPM Motorsports. Went out to David's shop, knocked this out. This is 100% custom. Started off, as you guys saw, from two 5-inch bends from Vibrant, and I mean, dude, this is badass. And as sweet as it looks now, it doesn't really give it any justice of what it's going to look like when it's on the vehicle. As you guys know, here, I'll bring you down here. This 2 teardrops, the cow right here, which you'll see how it's painted black with Jet Hot, but the cow has 1 teardrop. That is a 5-inch. As you can see, slightly more aggressive, but on a truck, I don't, you know, because we're doing 2, I don't know how aggressive you want them to be, but it looks badass how just a little bit of overlap, like just barely touching. I mean, it's pretty awesome. I can't wait to get it done and get it on the vehicle and see how good it looks, because I know, I mean, this thing's gonna look pretty sweet, that is for sure. Big shout out to Jeff, big shout out to David for helping me out and getting this done. This was actually Jeff's idea. I wanted the dual exhaust, one on each side. Jeff said diesel truck can't do that. And then I showed him one of a truck that has dual 5-inch exhaust on one side, so dual tips 5-inch, but aren't teardrops. So the teardrops really take it to a whole nother level. I can't wait to see it on the truck. I mean, it's gonna be badass. But I do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. Cowmaro merch is in the link below. If you use access code TIP, all caps, TIP, you can get it for 25% off. But other than that, I do want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the new vehicle that I got on the channel, seen in the last video. I'll link that here. You guys can check that out. Cowmaro, we're going to start getting back on the mod train with that. We're going to start working on the Trans Am, and then we're going to finish up the truck. A couple other little things to do. Got to get the tip on there, whether we do a lift pump or not. Now, we definitely will get one in the future, but whether we do that now or later, who knows. But thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.